Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today we are going to discuss about BRPR Expert Advisor. This is an expert advisor especially to created for to trade Euro USD. Okay, so it uses trend trading strategy, and also it can trade on the opposite direction as well. It doesn't mean that it is going to hedge the trades, but yes, based on the situation, it can open the trades in the opposite direction as well when needed. Okay. And so there is a time filter as well in case if you like to trade the robot for a particular duration or a particular time, then you can do that. And as I said, it can work on multiple pairs, but especially it has been created to trade euros. Okay. And the minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is 1,000. However, we suggest at least 1,200 to 1,500 to start with, if you do not want to see more drawdown in your account, because we don't know like when there is some kind of spike or some kind of, because in these war situations and there are so much of manipulations in the market, so some drawdown is definitely there. Okay, but yes, if your equity is well enough, because the drawdown is already calculated or has like on the basis of your equity. If you are trading with 2,000 with the same setup, and if you're trading with 1,000 for the same setup, and if you're trading with 500 and your trading setup is the same, then probably you will see the lowest drawdown would be on 2,000 and the maximum drawdown would be on 500, right? Okay, so let's start it from here. Okay, so we have completed 3 months it's a little more than that, in fact. Okay, so and we have been trading with this expert advisor since last year. If you would like to see the trading record history of BRPR EA, then probably you can go through my FX book of my portfolio, and you can check all the details about BRPR. That I will just show it on my FX book in just few minutes. Okay, so let's go through this one first. So from 10th of June we started, and today is 21st of September. Today, actually, I am creating this video on Saturday, so the market is not moving. So generally, I used to create the videos on Thursday or generally on Fridays. But last week, I thought that I will create the video, but could not able to do it. And yesterday also, I was a little busy. So I'm creating the video today because it's been 3 months, so it's not that too late to share the videos. Okay, so I'm showing you each and every trade from start. You can just check the lot size and you can check everything. Okay, even if you are not able to see it over here, because I cannot show you each and every trade because then the video would be very long. But my FX book is also attached to this account, and we don't know like how long we are going to attach the FX book, because we have already been trading for more than a year, and we are also sometimes we trade, sometimes we don't, sometimes we experiment with other expert advisors. But yes, so far we have been trading. So in 1,000, okay, so in 3 months we made 558, more than 3 months actually. Okay, and these are the running trades right now. As you can see, as I said, that it can open the trades in the opposite direction as well, but this will not happen all the time. So you can see like there are 2 sell positions and 2 buy positions, right? Okay, so this is the account history, and now let's go to my FX. So this is the my FX book of this particular account. Unfortunately, the drawdown was a little higher, on the higher side actually. I think that happened in July, I guess. Okay, so once in a while it can happen with anyone. That is why I said that suggesting you 1,500 doesn't mean that any money is going in my pocket, right? So your equity should be good enough to sustain such kind of spikes in any unexpected situation, because world is going towards war and many other things right now, political tensions, geopolitical tensions, war situations, and anything, right? So anything can happen. We cannot stop those kind of situations. So what we can do, that we can equip ourselves to protect or maybe to fight with those kind of situations. So in that case, we can only increase our equity a bit and use the right strategy. somehow the drawdown has been gone to 54%. But yes, like in case if you would have started with 1500 itself, then probably this would have been lower. But still, okay. So here we started, and here we ended. Okay, 55.82% from June of 10th of June, and today is 21st of September. So the trading day, the last trading day of the week was yesterday, that is 20th of September. Okay, so we made, we are making like almost 14% a month, and daily is 0.43. The maximum drawdown 54.03. That was a little higher than we expected, but yes, that is a part of game. So that's fine. That's not bad actually for me. Okay. And this week we made 3.49. This month we made 8.26%. This year we made this month. These are the statistics. Okay. And if you would like to see the monthly wise, June we made almost 10%. July we made 14.22%. In August we made 14.98%, 15% almost. In September we just made 8.26% so far. Okay, so guys, in case if you have question about this expert advisor or any of the expert advisor, the videos that I have uploaded in my own YouTube channel, okay, please talk me about only those expert advisors that I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. If you have any question about any of them, or you would like to trade with them or anything, please feel free to contact me by email. My email address is there in the video description, or you can contact me via Telegram. The details are in the video description itself. Okay, and if you like to explore the other expert advisor videos, then there is a link where you can just click and it will go to the playlist of my YouTube channel, that where you can explore each and every playlist of the expert advisor that I've created. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. It's weekend, so enjoy your weekend. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Bye for now.